Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Taneica Dionne. Alrighty, now as you can tell by the title, I am going to be doing an unboxing and try on today, and that is going to be for my August Glitzglambox, which I really love this box. Yeah, and the packaging this month is really cute. I really like the box that it came in this month. Now, excuse my appearance, guys. Like I said, I am going to be doing a try on. That's why I'm pretty bare-faced except for eyebrows, which, by the way, I hate, but you know, it is what it is, because I used a new product that I got. I used this Shop Miss A Wonder Brow, and yeah, not real happy with it, you know. I mean, the product itself is pretty good. It's just that, I don't know, it wasn't working right for me today. I don't know. I mean, they look all right. They're not as good as I want them to be, but you know, it is what it is, or whatever. So yeah, but anyway, so I am going to go ahead and get right into this unboxing. Now, a lot of my videos will be late, guys, because we were actually going for a week. We were at Virginia Beach last week. I did have pre-recorded videos. I did 4 before I left, and all of those are out now. So I am behind. I don't have none for this week, really, so I'm starting kind of late. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get out any this week, but you know, it is what it is. It'll start coming back regular now because that was our last vacation of the summer, so we are good. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started, guys. Alright, so it just looks like this when you open it, and has the card right here, and then it looks like it is packaged up like this. So that's good. Everything is packaged up in here. So I can go ahead and put this down. And let's see. Glitzglambox Sweet Fantasy. Your August box includes Fantasy Palette, $36. Lashes Seal by Ofa. Shader brush, Dainty Cosmetics. I forgot to say the prices. Sorry. Let's do that again. Fantasy Palette, yes, glitters, $36. Lashes, Seal by Ofa, $3. Shader brush, Dainty Cosmetics, $4. Illuminating liquid drops, clean color, $2.50. And the other side just says, thank you for being a subscriber. We appreciate you and can't wait for you to see what we have coming up. Thank you. So that is the thank you side. And this is all the products that I mentioned. Yeah. So, okay. Let's go ahead. Open this up. Alrighty. So it looks like there's 4 products in here this month. And like I did read off, this is the Dainty Cosmetics brush. Doesn't have a number on it, but it is, you know, a cute gold packaging. Very cute. Cute brush. Very cute. I like that. And we have the what is this? Illuminating liquid drops, clean color, which I'm going to put in the giveaway, but they look so pretty. I am going to put it in the giveaway, so I'm not going to swatch it, but I'll show you the bottle once I get it open. It was just in some extra bubble wrap to keep it safe during traveling. Beam Boost, clean color. These are very pretty too. And it still has the plastic on there, so that's good. So, yeah, I don't want to open it. But yeah, it does look like this. And this color looks very pretty. It's like it would be a gorgeous highlight. Gorgeous. So, and then I see these Seal lashes, 100% human hair. These are on the more natural side. They're wispy, but yeah, you know, I can do natural. Although y'all know I'm a straight up drama queen when it comes to lashes. But yeah, these are cute. I can rock them. And then lastly, it is this Fantasy Palette by Yes Glitters times Christina. Oh wait, Fantasy Yes by Fantasy by Yes Glitters and Krista Rice Makeup. This is what the outside looks like. Yeah, that's who it's by, if you can see that. And nice pretty mirror, or big mirror. And these are the colors. It's very nice. Very subtle, but those glitters look poppin'. Yes. So yeah. Alrighty. So I am going to get right into it, guys. So if you'd like to see the look that I create, please continue to watch. Alrighty, guys, so this is the finished look of what I have created with the fantasy palette that was in my August Glitzglambox. And let's bring you in just so you can see real quick. Alrighty, so yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. So again, this is the palette right here, the Fantasy Pot palette. And I use this color right here called Peanut as my transition color. And as long as we're talking about the color Peanut here, I did use it as a contour on my nose, as well as I use it as a little bronzer contour on my face. And I also used, let me see, I also used, what is this? Cancamagus, which is this burnt orange looking color. I used this in the crease. This right here was the transition, like I said, and I used this one right here in the crease, and a little above the crease. And then I went in with this color right here, this pressed glitter, which is called Scully. I use this all over my lid. And I did attempt to use this color right here, this brown color, iced coffee, on the outer corners right here, but it was not working, so I just went ahead and did a full eye of this pressed glitter. And then on the lower lash line, I had this color Charmed right here. This beautiful, beautiful color right here on my lower lash line. And then this color, this golden color, which is called Cheap Thrills. Yeah, Cheap Thrills. I had this in the inner corners right here, in my inner corners, as well as a brow bone highlight. And yeah, those are all the colors that I use. And I must say, these pressed glitters are killer. They are to die for, y'all. They are so nice. I really like them. They work so well. You don't even need glitter glue with them, and the colors are super pigmented. This Charm color is going to be so pretty to wear all over the lid, because you can see like underneath it's just a pretty color. I really like it a lot. So yeah, definitely will be using this palette again. And as far as my lip combo, I used the Steve Laurent lip liner in the color Vogue that I got in one of these boxes this month. And then I used the Believe Beauty color in Foxy Liquid Matte. This is in the color Foxy. And then I used my Glitzglambox Diamond Glow Lip Gloss over top of that. And yeah, that's my lip combo today. Also, I used, let me see, Pat McGrath liner for my wing. And I used the Fenty bronzer as well as the one in the palette. I use a Fenty over top of that, as well as I use a Fenty highlight. And let me see. Oh yeah, and the reason why my highlight is so freaking bright, guys, look at that, that's a lot. And yeah, that's very, like, I like highlights, but this is hella bright. But it's all that I could do to try to save what I did, even with using the Beauty Blender to blend it down some, guys. I used that, you know, Faracelli jelly highlighter that we got in one of those boxes a few months ago. And I've used that highlight many times, but it never did what it did today. Today I put it on, and like when I tapped it on, it just left like, I felt like it just left a line, like it was not working, it was not being blendable is what I'm trying to say. Like I tapped it on, and then, you know, you just tap it on and all that before you go to a brush or a blender. But today it just was, it was like it was stuck. It was not moving on my face, and it just like had a line, period, just a line. And hold on, guys. Hello? I'm in the middle of a video. How may I help you? Alright, so before I was rudely interrupted by my sister as usual. Yeah, so that highlight just was not blending at all for me, guys. So I had to take my Bretman Rock palette highlight, and then I had to put that on top of there, and I had to really blend to try to get that line off. It was like, it was crazy. I don't know. And not only that, I wore my what is this, the Beauty Bakery Cake Mix foundation today. That's what I put on today. I haven't wore this since I did my review on it, which was several months back. This was the second time I'm wearing it, and I don't know, today I put it on, I felt like nothing was working with it. Nothing. Like I put that on, I put on my usual Jeffree Star concealer, and I felt like that did not blend out. It was just, it was tough. Like it was like stuck, like it wasn't moving. And you know, Jeffree Star concealer is my favorite right now, y'all, and I love the way it works. Like with everything, I have never had a problem with it not working with the foundation, but today, woo, gave me a run for my money. It came out good because it looks good now, because I had to do a whole bunch of fixing. I had to use Jeffree Star, and then after I felt like it wasn't working with that foundation, like when I was putting it on with the blender, it like was removing it instead of blending it out. It was like seriously like removing it. So then I had to go on top of that with when the Jeffree Star wasn't acting right, felt like it was moving it, then I went on top of my Beauty Bakery foundation with their concealer, the Beauty Bakery concealer, and then that started to put it back together. And this is like the same color as my skin, so you know, I wanted a little highlight, so then I went in with this L'Oreal concealer, and that's what I have on today. I don't feel like it's cake face, although it probably should be, because that's 3 different concealers, but it worked out because it looked good. I did salvage this look. I think it looks pretty good. There's a little extra to be going to Meet the Teacher night, because that's where I'm going. My son is 5 and he starts kindergarten next Tuesday. If you have not done so already, please hit that subscribe button, like, and comment. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.